Hi, and welcome back to A Couple of Kiddos.
Or if you're new here, welcome.
I'm Tim.
And I'm Clarissa. And look where we are.
Wow. Wow, wow,
so
wow.
Crazy. So insane.
Yeah.
We're going to show you, we got here so early. We got here like 6:15. First one's at the gate because the passes were out, the early entry. So we got straight into the land. We got the first reservation and everything. But we're going to show you that little clip here.
We're at the front gates.
We got here at 6:15 a.m. They do have the express pass that was letting in already, but right now it's about 6:51. They said they're gonna have virtual queue.
Yes.
We just want to let you guys know how this is working out since we are like so lost and confused, like trying to figure this out. So we're the first one in line to get in, and we got here at 6:15, and then we're gonna do the virtual queue, and we'll let you know how that goes.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
They let us down over in the Simpsons area, right in front of the lower lot escalators.
Yeah, but before that, we got a virtual queue. We never told you that, guys. We got a virtual queue. Like they did it like 5 minutes before they opened the gate.
Yeah.
So I thought we had to scan our ticket to get it, but we don't. So make sure you keep checking.
And I think it's
app.
maybe because your tickets are on your app. So.
Yeah. So the app is very useful. Use the app. But yeah, they held us in like the main area for about until like 7:30, and now we're at the escalators. We're getting closer and closer.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
We're going straight to the ride.
Oh wow. Holy crud. Holy crud, guys. We made it.
It's so cool. It's
Yes.
like in the game. We have to run and get in line. We
Let's go get in line. Come on. Wow.
Oh my god,
We're here.
oh my god.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
Oh my god. He's so big.
Wow. This place is amazing. Holy cow, that's a big statue.
And it's huge.
Look at the lanterns. Wow.
So we made it in line.
We
We've
did.
been moving pretty quickly. It says 45 minutes.
Yeah.
We had to go pee before we came in because we didn't know how long to wait.
Yeah.
So it says 45 minutes. We got here like right at 8 o'clock.
Yeah. So cool. I'm super excited. So if you don't know much about the ride, it's a Mario Kart themed ride.
With
AR. It's like
Augmented
4D,
reality.
4D pretty much.
It's
So
gonna be so cool. And this point system and anything with points, I'm so competitive.
Yeah,
I'm always
right?
trying to beat everybody.
Oh.
So,
all right,
you got a
guys.
dodging
I
dance?
gotta keep showing you guys stuff. Trophies. Look at us.
This is what we're racing for today.
Oh yeah, that's what we're racing for. The Universal line. This is like his lab, his office. Oh yeah, there is a dome. Oh, this is like a 3D effect. Oh my god.
Look at this throne.
Oh, got his throne.
Yeah, the picture of Princess Peach.
we're planning on you being here for hours. So there is so much eye candy everywhere.
And I'm sure if you did come, like, just regular, you probably would be here a little bit.
Yeah, they do have a single rider line option as well.
yeah.
So maybe we'll try a second time.
We're definitely gonna try a second time.
For sure.
We are always down for single rider lines.
Yeah. Whoa, we're in the
Magna up there.
bomb factory. Oh, it's three. It's got a 3D effect.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that is cool.
So many.
It's going to explode. Look. See the time. And it's really bad.
We're getting closer and closer, and I'm getting so
I
excited.
know. And this is going to be the tutorial section, I'm sure. I'm going to show you how to ride the ride because it's a game. There's points involved. You can get power-ups. So it's a race. So
If we don't get the trophy, I'll be mad.
Oh no. All right, we got our first half of the Mario hats. They click in the back. Yeah.
Super easy.
And then the visor will magnetize. Yeah.
Almost there.
I know. The time has come.
Amazing. Standard thing. I don't know if it's working or not, but we'll see.
Mario Kart.
Oh my god, I'm so excited! Oh my god. Oh my god, I have like no points. Oh my god, we won! Yay! 123! I have 129!
Oh, man!
129! Oh my god, Piranha wins!
Hey, you did the best. Good job, babe.
Oh my god.
You got the best in the cart.
Told you I'm competitive. I'm gonna win this!
Yeah.
Oh my god, make sure you tighten your thing, because my thing was falling off the whole time.
Yeah.
Because anyone mess up my makeup.
Right. That was so fun. That was so fun. Again. All right, and we lead into the gift shop,
Of course.
Yeah.
If you want to buy everything.
Alrighty. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh, you got a ton of plushies. Oh my gosh. Love it. You want a piranha plant? Chain chomp. A little piranha plant's cute. I love it. Oh, they even got Chef Toad. Aww. Very cool. Very cool.
Talking about Chef Toad, we should probably see if we can get a reservation for it.
Yeah, let's go.
I don't know
look.
what's going on with that. If it's reservation or just walk up. We have some figurines.
Ooh, Mario figurine. It's like this is just not posable, but just a figure of Mario. Got Chef Toad. Heavy duty plastic cups. We got Mario. Oh yeah. Very cool. Mario and Luigi. Yoshi! I like Yoshi's. Oh!
And have a peach.
And one peach. Oh, I got a peach.
Last one. I don't need more cups.
Oh, that's cool. $10, not bad.
We got a whole Yoshi section.
Yeah. That Yoshi drawstring. That's cool. Nice big.
They got some bigger plushies up there.
Plushies.
Oh, there's more right there.
Oh, nice and soft.
And then you can have a whole Yoshi on your shirt.
Yeah, looks like you got adult sizes too. Very cool.
So cute.
Bowser and Bowser Jr.
Aww. That'd be cute for like a dad and like son.
Right. So she's got similar. Got her bag. She's got that pose she's doing on the cup. Keychain. Super
Hollywood?
Nintendo World. No, just Super Nintendo World. Mario. Of
Looks
course.
like every character that's like in the land area
Yeah.
has a pretty much similar thing.
Yeah.
Yoshi, Luigi, Peach, Bowser. Oh, he's a big guy.
Yeah, he is. He's soft too.
Oh, he is
Reversible pillows.
I know, these pillows are cool.
Very cool. They turn into a star. That's cool.
It's so cool. I like that 2-in-1.
Sweaters. Those are very cool.
Luigi section. I really like this shirt.
That's cool.
And this one actually says Hollywood.
That's a popular one.
Yeah, you see a lot of people in them for sure. They have candy?
Candy.
Luigi has milk chocolate caramel. Mario. Cookies and cream. Me and Peach are just the same person.
Right?
I love cookies and cream. What's Yoshi? Pumping candy. Woo. So fun.
Then they have a stacking Yoshis.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
That's so cute. How many can you stack? Oh my gosh, and a Yoshi.
That's so cute.
Love that. All right, and then they have this shirt. Holy moly.
Is that been busy or what?
I think is it the same on both sides? Yes, it's the same on both sides. That's really cool.
They're the same design in a poster, it looks like as well.
And a poster. All right,
He's
and then there's
huge.
a big popcorn bucket.
I love it, but we have to know where to display this.
That is cool. Very, very cool.
Look, there's a few headwear items you can get. We have some Mario. Well, he's like just sitting on your head.
He's doing his like belly slide.
That's so cute. You can get with Luigi as well. Look, they have, oh my god, I didn't realize the back had like,
Oh, how cute.
this is adorable. They have a Mario Kart one too.
Cool.
And there's like one more Mario Kart one.
Whoa, this is like the ones that the cast members or employees. Whoa.
More Mario Kart one.
Can't tell if that's like a fuchsia, like a fluorescent red.
It's
Like,
orange.
is it orange? It's like a, I guess so. Maybe in this flag.
I kind of want one of those.
Look at these though. You know why she wants one?
Because I'm a sucker for things that light up.
Yes, it lights up, of course.
So I get to open. You have to
Just
open
another
it.
popcorn bucket.
And then you have to open it. Probably have to pull the tab out. But then there's a button here.
Very cool.
And then it lights up.
That is neat.
I love anything that lights up.
Right?
But again, we have nowhere to display any of this stuff. But it's so cute.
It is really cool.
And there's like a Princess Peach Mario Kart thing.
Oh, pink. You got a red one. And then they've got, oh, okay. It's the different cups. So we've got a green cup, fire one, princess one, and a mushroom one, and a star one. Oh, and a star one. Very cool. And they all have Mario Kart on them.
Are these magnets?
Magnets.
I think so. Look at that's some cute magnets.
I like that.
Actually, they're cute. It is crazy in here.
Yeah, very busy. Mario Kart shirt. Like a metal sign. Yeah, that's cool. Pins. Very cool. Lanyards, and these kind of look like a faux leather. That's nice. Faux leather, yeah.
Crazy in here. Just look at the theming from this angle.
Right? Reminds me of Lego in here a little bit. This is, of course, where you exit the Bowser ride. Some Nintendo World specific pouch lanyards, pins, and then you got an ID lanyard as well. And then once summertime comes, definitely gonna need a cooling towel.
I feel like you need it now for Mario Land because it's just all in the sun. You're waiting in
Right,
the
yeah.
sun all day.
That's a good shout, yeah. Are they different kinds? I think they're all the same. They look all the same.
Yeah, I think so.
But very cool.
All right.
Team Yoshi. I don't think is there an
Right here.
Collected 8
Oh, that's
of
it?
100. Well, 8 took 8 of 100.
You're 76.
76.
Okay, now let me try mine.
Okay.
I was like, we don't even have any coins yet. But I had 13 stickers.
And you can use your app as well. You don't have
248. I guess it's all the peaches. No.
Out of the peaches?
No. How are you ahead of me? Doesn't make
know.
any sense. This is rigged. Rigged. Let's get some coins.
Yeah.
Cheated and did this while I was in the bathroom, so now I gotta get some coins myself.
Oh, it's a game! Come on!
I'm so satisfied. Oh my god!
Yeah, so look, see?
There's like a little M on the bottom.
Very cool.
Get some coins, babe.
You got coins up there?
Oh, let's see the little Pikmins.
We entered into Peach's castle because I'm the princess. But there's some hidden blocks inside here. And there's little secret stickers throughout the land. You gotta find this little whoop, whoop. Do I look like her? Yeah. You gotta get the sticker too, babe.
Yeah, look at that. It's so cool. Lights up. That's neat. All right, our first game.
Two more to go.
Yeah.
Now we're in line for another key.
Yes. Yeah, key number 2.
Yes, we need 3 keys to get to Bowser Jr.
Yes.
So we're determined to get in there today because we're only here one day.
Yeah.
But this key, you have to like hit the shell to get into the tube.
Yeah.
And
You,
whoop,
yeah,
and get
you
a
guys will
Koopa.
see. Oh, waiting all this time.
Oh my god, I was so nervous waiting in that line for so long. Maybe I wasn't gonna get it. But I got it.
That was what, about 45 minutes?
Yeah, I feel like the other key was about 45 minutes too. So it's
Yeah.
been about 45 minutes for each key.
Cool.
We need one more key.
One more.
And then we're gonna go to Bowser Jr.
Now, let's see what's next.
Guess what? We found another scam.
This is a secret area.
Oh yeah, we're right next to Toad's Cafe. There's like a little cave in here. And it's where you can get another key as well.
Yes.
Look at it! Bowser!
Yeah.
You gotta get it, Tim.
My turn. You got him. Yeah, that's cool.
It's so cool.
Very cool.
So this is a little secret key that's not really like advertised on
I
the
know.
map, really. I was looking for it on the map, but it was in here.
Yeah, it's tucked away in the mountain. Yeah.
Right
it's a
next
touch
to
away.
Toad's.
Oh yeah. You just gotta be close to it, I guess.
I
You
guess
don't even have to touch it.
If you're looking for that third key, there's another one. There's 4 keys you can get, but
You only need
you
3.
only need 3. And you can do the same one over and over again. It doesn't have to be all
Yeah.
3 different ones. So if one's easier for you, do those ones.
Yep.
We have 3 keys!
Yep.
We're about to go into Bowser Jr., but we just saw another 8-bit over here.
Yeah, let's
we
get
gotta
it.
go get it! Gotta collect all the stamps. Yay! Let me get it.
Yeah.
Woo! Let's go beat Bowser Jr. now!
right. We're gonna finally get our 3 keys.
Gotta unlock the lock.
Let's do it.
Let's go play.
Oh yeah, look at him. Oh my God.
He's so cute. That only sculpture. Oh my God, how cute is this photo? And look at this graffiti down here. No Mario's allowed. Little paintbrush lit up.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Big old boy. Yeah.
I wonder where the brain is. It's the golden mushroom. We must take the golden mushroom.
Welcome, heroes! You've done well to make it this far. Up ahead is your final showdown with Bowser Jr. When bob-ombs are tossed at you, use your arms to swat them away. Got it? Swat bob-ombs away. When bullet bills fly toward you, duck to dodge them. Don't forget, duck to dodge bullet bills. Jump to hit a question block and get a power-up. When you get a fire flower, swing your arms to throw fireballs. Yes! Swing your arms to throw fireballs. Now go forth, defeat Bowser Jr., and proclaim the golden mushroom. Good luck, heroes!
We did it!
Yeah. We got the golden mushroom.
Right?
For me, I'm Peach.
Right?
She's an imposter.
And if you guys didn't get a good look at it, it's really cool in there. It records your shadow and you pop, you jump, you swat. Real cool.
It was really cool.
Yeah.
That's like a ride in itself.
Yeah, it was really neat.
Get your keys.
And you get a sense of accomplishment by earning them too.
I just love this because it makes me feel like I'm actually playing Mario and I'm getting all my coins.
Right?
Oh my God.
Let's see what's next.
What's next? So we just exited Bowser Jr. and we're gonna go upstairs because I think there's like some telescopes. Like I think they're augmented reality telescopes too.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Let's see. It's right outside the exit of the Bowser Jr.
Warped to a new land. Ooh.
I'm telling you, Mario Land really puts your exercising in. There's a lot of stairs.
It's playing the underground music.
One coin?
at this.
Oh my god, look at the view of all the crowds down there. Pretty crazy. We are here opening weekend, so that's why it's so crazy out there. Alright, the binoculars.
Right? Take a look.
The key point.
Oh, wow. Oh, there's a. Oh, there.
You know what? You get it?
I don't know. No? Oh, they're just showing things. Oh, see all the people down there? Very cool. Oh, there's some Pikmin. Oh, very cool. Over here. Oh, there's more up there. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's blue. Oh, he's gonna get us. Oh, look at him go. Very cool. Love it.
Alright, my turn.
Yeah.
I gotta let it grow.
Oh, you got
You're gonna like get things. Okay. Where's the ship at? It's interesting because it's like augmented, but you see actual people down there.
Yeah.
But then also, you get like coins. Like I'm hearing coins going off on my thing a little bit here and there. I only got like one or two.
Cool.
Not very many. We almost missed it, so we just walked by it. Let's see what it is. Nobody. Did anything show up? There it is.
Here we go.
Welcome, Troopa.
Oh, everyone.
Armando, ¿se acuerda que hay que buscar aquí uno?
All right, so we've got ATMs.
A vending machine for
vending
power
machine,
bands.
right?
We got ours a day earlier, so we were prepared. So we just run in here. But look, you can pick which ones you guys want here in this little vending machine. You just press one, check out, and it's $40 and $3.80 for tax, so $43.80.
Yep, and you just pick it up right on the bottom.
So cool.
Yeah.
One little life hack: if you're here early, go to City Walk and just go to the Super Nintendo World there and get it ahead of time so you can just run in like we did today.
Yeah.
Because you gotta have this to play the game. Well, you don't have to play the game, but like to get stickers and points while you're on the ride, you gotta have it. And I wanted to make sure I had those coins.
We made it in Toadstool's Cafe.
I think we've been in line for about an hour and 15 minutes, so just be warned. Get your return time. We got in line 20 minutes before our return time, and the line is crazy. We just wait for a table.
Yeah, so first you get a ticket. It'll tell you a time. That's the time you get back in line.
You get in line, not come to the front. You get in line.
Yeah,
Because
so-
everyone's trying to come up to the front complaining.
Yeah, so it's a busy line, especially for lunch. But you got to check this place out.
This is like in video games where you get a chance to win in Toadstool's house.
Get a win a prize.
Right?
I wonder what prize I'm gonna get.
I know.
You think I'm gonna get coins, mushrooms? What else is there? I don't know what else there is. Okay, which one am I gonna do? I'm gonna go small. Woo! I got one up!
Give it a game.
Oh, you got to go next because it takes longer to reset. Okay. You got
One up.
Small. Dang, one coin. I'm famished.
I'm tired, I'm famished. We've been in line for 2 hours to get into Toadstool.
Yes. So be prepared on opening weekends, on busy days.
Yeah, who knows how long it's
Yes.
going to be this busy. It's the first weekend of it opening. I don't know if we ever said what day we're here. We're on Sunday, so it's the third day of the opening. So it's crazy, and I expect it to be crazy.
Yeah.
It's opening weekend, and that's why we're here, because we love it. We're big fans. But 2 hours to get to eat. Oh.
Yeah. But there's food elsewhere in the park, so you don't have to eat here.
Yeah.
We wanted
But we gotta try it.
Yeah. First thing to try
Toadstool stuff.
is the Smash. It's a Star Smash something.
We forgot what it is.
It's right here.
It's right here. Yeah, right there.
This is
Mango.
good. Oh yeah, mango. Okay, so it's got little jelly,
Mangoes.
little mangoes. It's got bobas, different colors: red, clear, looks like green.
So many stuff.
Whoa.
Whoa, good?
Yeah, that's
Whoa.
it's like a big hit of tart with the soda, mango-y. Poppin' boba is always fun.
I love popping bobas. It's like we have it quickly by our house, and the popping bobas are always so good. But that is really, really delicious.
And the cup, you're not gonna be able to tell, but it's got
music notes.
It's got star music notes, I'm sure, of the melody that goes along with the Power Star. Very cool.
It's actually really delicious. I totally recommend that one.
Yeah.
Tim had to buy one of the sippers.
Yay! So I got technically our first sipper.
Yes, I'm trying to stay away from sippers and popcorn buckets because we have nowhere
It's
to
a little
play
guy.
anything else.
It's a little guy. It's a 1-up.
Yeah.
Comes with a Nintendo World band. Very cool. And I got some caffeine, so I'm happy.
And this little body screws out of it. It's cute. It's like a little tiny.
Yeah,
like,
this guy
bottle.
screws out. It's a little bottle.
You just deconstruct him
Yep.
and then bring him back because he's 1-up.
Yeah.
Bring him back to life.
All right. Well, we got a ton of food coming.
We ordered a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, let me tell you. So let's see what we got. Food has arrived.
Just like that. We got some garlic knots.
They're little toad shaped.
Little mushroom-shaped ones. Marinara, of course.
What?
Lots of Parmesan on these.
There is a lot of Parmesan.
Yeah.
I can smell the Parmesan.
Good.
They're garlic nuts.
They are nuts.
Doesn't taste.
Yeah, good. Could use a little bit more butter, I think, but it's so good. So I got the Luigi burger. It has
Got the bell pepper inside it.
got a little Luigi thing, mustache, so cute. So this is a chicken. It's got like a bell pepper, jack cheese looking. Yeah, so right up my alley. Let's see. Right here.
And it comes with a pesto sauce on the side, it looks like. So it's not in your burger yet.
Okay.
Might need it.
Could use a little bit of the pesto. It's very fresh. I like the bell pepper adds like that.
A little bit of crunch.
French fries. And then these are garlic French fries, or
Are they? I think it's
not sure.
pepper.
These regular. Nice and crunchy. Super good.
You know, they just brought their food out. I feel like it's kind of, the fries are a little cold.
Yeah. A little bit.
They're really busy. I get it.
They're very
Opening
busy.
weekend. I have to think. Opening weekend.
Yeah.
Do you want to try your pesto sauce though? Or you...
I did with the fry. It's good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got the short ribs, which are
Yeah.
they're kind of new in the menu. It wasn't here for the pass holder stuff. I just started seeing this. And it looks like it's either on potatoes or grits. I can't tell which it is. I'm worried that horseradish on the side.
I don't know.
There's like
It's got
a
little
sauce.
mushrooms in it. It's got a little toadstool
Cracker.
on top.
It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, let me try.
Short rib is good. It's like, you know, about that size short rib. All right. Look at that.
Just falls apart, which is nice.
Yeah.
Pretty alright.
Pretty all right. How about that gravy or something with it?
You might need some gravy. Maybe if you mix it up a
There
little
is
bit.
a lot of sauce that comes with it.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's mushrooms underneath.
Uh-oh. Is it better with the gravy?
Yeah, give it a little more flavor.
All right, let me taste the white stuff.
I know I'm scared it's horseradish.
Sour cream? Your favorite,
I put that on everything.
right? So she should love that.
I think this is grits.
Grits. Looks good.
Yeah, I think it's grits. I'm not
All
having
right.
a hard time figuring it out. And then they come with a little cracker. Maybe dip a little bit of sauce. And that's a little cracker.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty okay. I mean, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's not like fantastic, but I'd probably order this again though.
Yeah. And the food that we ordered, from the point of ordering to sitting down, 5 minutes or so?
Yeah, but
So-
you stood in line for 2 hours.
Yeah. Luckily, we didn't wait even longer to get food. So,
Yeah.
it was great.
So next, we're waiting on is dessert.
Yeah. Let's eat it.
So the theming in this restaurant is pretty cool. We've got little faux windows showing just all the daily life of the Mushroom Kingdom. Very cool warp pipes everywhere.
All right. Time for dessert.
Dessert time!
Bean pole cake.
This one has a matcha top to it.
Yeah. Very
And-
green. I love the layers.
I don't even know if I've ever had matcha. I think I just stay with it because it just doesn't sound appetizing to me, so I'm
Right.
a little interested in that.
It's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A 10-layer cake. And it comes with dirty fingers.
Oh, this matcha. Is it good?
Yeah, I like matcha. A little bean pole.
They're just like a little chocolate star.
And then it looks like a
It's plastic. Just kidding. White chocolate.
white chocolate, yes.
That was a collector's coin.
Okay.
Okay. I love the way it's set up with the different levels, like the lichen levels.
Yeah, very nice. It's a Napoleon.
It's really good. I love Napoleon ice cream. Like I remember
Yeah.
going to like the ice cream truck and asking for just some Napoleon ice cream thing, but it is so good.
Vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate.
With a little bit of
And
matcha.
matcha.
The matcha is not bad.
A little bit of vanilla.
Like I said, I don't know if I've ever had matcha.
Yeah, it's only got 1, 2, like 3 layers of actual cake, and the rest of it's filling
Like
or
frosting.
matcha, yeah, or something. It's good.
This is really good.
Yeah.
I recommend getting this. This one's super tasty.
Yeah.
We're gonna finish up eating here, and then we're gonna go back out to the land.
Ooh, okay.
Let's see what's next.
Yeah.
Oh no, I think Bowser's overtaking the restaurant. Everything got so dark.
Sorry about that. Good call. Good.
No, I wonder if his ship is coming. His sky ship. Oh yeah. Oh no.
They're very calm. Oh, okay. You might just
Too cool though. I love the theming.
Alright, Princess, we have 2 friends coming to see you.
Oh, so nice to meet another princess. we need a picture. Let's all pose.
Alright,
Here
ready?
we go. Smile.
1, 2, and 3. One more. Alright, ready? 3, 2, and 1. Thank you.
I hope to see you again soon.
We've got another key game. This one is going to be the quickest to hit all these timers. So it doesn't wake up the Piranha.
So right now the line for Mario Kart is 90 minutes, and we're gonna do single rider.
So they also have a test seat right out here, right in front of the single riders. So if you wanted to test how the seat looks and if you fit. Oh, what a day at
A day
Super Nintendo World.
in Hollywood.
Yes.
Now we have to go to Japan.
Yes.
Japan next.
Yes, let's do it.
I wish that was on our to-do vacation. I mean, it's our to-do vacation, but not right now.
Yeah.
It was such a great time, though. We had such a blast. We rode the Mario Kart twice. We did a single rider for the last one.
Yeah.
And I think it only took us like 10 minutes.
Yeah. Make sure you do that. That's
I mean, it's not always going to be 10 minutes. You never know. It just
Yeah.
depends on how many people have pairs of threes. But we were lucky, and it took like 10 minutes. We got lots of stamps today. We got
Yeah.
to see Bowser Jr. We did it all. The only thing we did is like meet and greet Mario and Luigi.
yeah.
Or the sleeper key. We got all the other keys.
Yeah, the sleeping chomper.
Yeah. So it was a lot of fun. I'm so glad we did it opening weekend. We get to see all the other fans like us. Everyone's all dressed up, and I love seeing everyone dressed up.
Yeah.
But I wanted to show you that you can get stamps in the land as well.
Yeah, via the app and your power-up bands.
Yeah, so when you get power-up bands, you can do a bunch of stuff in the thing. So you can see here all the little stamps that there are that you can get. And it's a lot of fun just trying to collect everything. You collect all the stamps, the secret ones in the walls, you get for playing the game. It's so much fun.
Yep.
Oh, well that's it for Mario.
Yeah.
Or Nintendo World.
Make sure to look out for the rest of our day. We're going to be
Yes.
spending more time at Universal, of course.
There'll be a few more days from now. We're going to Disney tomorrow.
Yeah.
Well, until next time. Oh wait, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up if you like this video, and read that notification bell for more videos like this. And follow us at
Couple of kiddos.
Until next time. Woohoo!